How to make homemade Arabian Shakshouka with coconut watermelon shake, Iftar and Ramadan special. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Ramadan is here, and today we have something special for you. We'll be making homemade Arabian Shakshouka paired with a refreshing coconut watermelon shake. This meal is not only delicious but also perfect for Iftar, providing the necessary nutrients and hydration after a day of fasting. So, let's dive right into it. But before we begin, let's go through the ingredients. Shakshouka. 4 large ripe tomatoes. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 red bell pepper, diced. 1 green bell pepper, diced. 4 eggs. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon paprika. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh parsley for garnish. Coconut watermelon shake. 2 cups chopped watermelon. 1 cup coconut water. 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Ice cubes. Now that we have all the ingredients, let's move on to the preparation. Shakshouka preparation. 1. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. 2. Add chopped onions and minced garlic, sauté until they turn translucent. 3. Add diced red and green bell peppers, cook until they soften. 4. Chop the ripe tomatoes and add them to the skillet. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes until the tomatoes break down and form a thick sauce. 5. Season with cumin powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Adjust the seasoning according to your taste. 6. Once the sauce is ready, make 4 wells in the mixture and crack an egg into each well. 7. Cover the skillet and let the eggs cook to your desired level of doneness, usually about 5 to 7 minutes for runny yolks. 8. Garnish with fresh parsley. Coconut watermelon shake preparation. 1. In a blender, add chopped watermelon chunks. 2. Pour in coconut water and add honey if desired for sweetness. 3. Blend until smooth. 4. Add ice cubes and blend again until you achieve a slushy consistency. Our shakshouka and coconut watermelon shake are ready. Now, let's plate them up. Serve the shakshouka directly from the skillet, making sure each serving has an egg. Pour the coconut watermelon shake into glasses and garnish with a slice of watermelon or mint leaves for an extra touch. There you have it, our delicious and nutritious homemade Arabian Shakshouka with coconut watermelon shake. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Perfect for Iftar during Ramadan or any time you're craving a flavorful meal. Remember, these recipes are beginner-friendly and affordable, so give them a try and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more Ramadan specials and culinary delights. Ramadan Mubarak. Masalama. Thank you very much Arabian Shakshouka with coconut watermelon shake lovers.